see
This
how it looks.
is the Heat Lightning. Right now in Waterford. That is wild. It's not really getting it, really. I can't get the cloud though.
Whoa, that was a nice one.
Yeah. Did you get the cloud?
No, my quality was just fucking terrible.
Yeah, mine sucks too.
Oh, fuck. Too bad that couldn't happen in my video. Oh, you're getting all the good ones.
Well, it's not really showing up that good though.